this is Chris Kuzmal and a discussion of propositional logic. Propositional logic involves proposition constants. P is the most commonly used propositional constant in propositional logic. In addition to propositional constants, there are unary operators. Actually, there's one unary operator, which we call the negation operator. It is usually represented by the tilde, which is right there. A simple logical sentence looks exactly like a propositional constant. We write down a propositional constant and it becomes a simple logical sentence. A simple logical sentence is the simplest logical sentence there is. A complex logical sentence is pretty much any other logical sentence. That is to say, any logical sentence that does not consist of just a proposition constant. And so the simplest complex logical sentence I can give you is the negation operator put in front of the proposition constant P. And we would read this typically as not P. So this is a complex logical sentence, and it doesn't seem like a complex logical sentence, but the fact is it can get kind of complex. Oops, I went past it. We can put a negation operator in front of any logical sentence and get another logical sentence. And that means that two negation operators or three or any number of logical sentences can be, any number of negations can go in front of a logical sentence. Now then, in addition to proposition constants and the negation operator, there's four other operators. All of them are binary. There's what informally is called the OR operator. Formally is called disjunction. There's the AND operator, which is formally known as conjunction. There's the implication operator, and there's the biconditional operator. Those operators all can be used to form complex logical sentences by placing a logical sentence on either side of the logical operator. So here we see we've used P and Q, each being simple logical sentences, and placed them on either side of each of the four binary operators. So we have P or Q, P and Q, P implies Q, and P and Q mutually imply one another. Now we'll put parentheses around a logical sentence in order to make it clear that we're talking about what's here is a logical sentence, in order to make it disambiguate how we combine them together when things get even more complex. And here we get more complex logical sentences, such as the sentence P or Q implies the sentence P and Q. That's the first line. The second line is the negation of the sentence P implies Q. And the last one is the disjunction of the sentence P mutually implies Q and the negation of P. That's it for the introduction to the syntax of logical sentences. I would like to thank the Stanford Logic Group for introducing me to formal logic in all of its glory.